Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. The Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, Gani Ige Adams, wants Fulani herdsmen, bandits to stay away from southwest or face stiff resistance. Gani Adam on Sunday declared in clear terms that with the killing of over 50 people in Igangan, Ibarapa, Oke-Ogun area of Oyo State, it is evident that war is imminent in the country. Adams, while condemning the gruesome murder of innocent residents of the town, warned Fulani herdsmen and bandits to stay away from the southwest or be ready to face stiff resistance. The killings in the early hours of Sunday brought the entire Igangan town and its environs to its knees, with over 50 people, cars burnt, and 20 houses razed. Speaking shortly after news of the killings and destruction filtered in with gory videos of the massacre, Adams said the North had waged war against the Southwest and had also unleashed terror on the region, stressing the need for the Southwest region to rise and defend themselves without looking back. In a situation like this, you rise and defend yourself. Where are the police when the bandits started killing our people in Igangan today? Even the palace of Ashigangan of Igangan land, Oba Adewuyi Olaoye, was not spared, and the monarch, according to reports, had been whisked away by the bandits. 3 days ago, the Director General of Oyo State Southwest Security Network, Amotekun General Kunle Togun, raised the alarm that herdsmen has invaded the Southwest. I corroborated his statement and called for urgent surveillance across Southwest. Now, with the recent onslaught on Igangan people, it is evident that the Fulani herdsmen are on predetermined mission to kill, maim, and decimate the Southwest. This is one killing too many. I will not fold my arms, seeing the blood of innocent people being shed like it is in Igangan, lamenting the failure of the federal government to rise to the security challenges. Adams said now that the North had declared war on the Southwest, we will never silence or compromise on the homicide going on in the Southwest. I want to charge all the governors in the Southwest as well as the traditional rulers to rise to this occasion. Gani Adams, however, warned criminal headers to stay away from the region, as the Southwest can no longer accommodate killers. OPC and other local security operatives will continue to ensure that the region is safe for residents. Those killed in Igangan town have their families and friends. There is blood flowing in their veins, and in a moment their lives were cut short by killer herdsmen and bandits in their home. Adams admitted that information at his disposal indicates that bandits and killer herdsmen have invaded the Southwest, thus pushing the security outfits to the war. He, however, urged all the governors to beef up the security of their respective states in order to provide adequate security for the people of the region. What is happening in Yoruba land? I think this is the time for all Yoruba leaders to unite, and Gani Adams and Sunday Igboho should put a stop to whatever difference that they have between each other, because the killing in Yoruba land is too much. It's unbearable. So the only way we can conquer as Yorubas, the only way we can overcome this is to unite and come together. Can you imagine what is happening? People cannot sleep with 2 eyes closed. Even the kings are not safe, because from the reports we could deduce that the king himself, that is the Ashigangan of Igangan himself, has been taken away by the bandits. by the killer herdsmen. Hey, that is too much. It's uncalled for. What are the police in Yoruba land? What are they doing? In fact, the governor of the state is asleep. He needs to wake up from his slumber because I just don't get it. We have a governor, we have police, we have army, and they can't find a lasting solution to the killings in Igangan. It's too bad. The whole community are calling on Sunday Igboho. This has gone beyond Sunday Igboho. The whole community need to stand up and fight for their rights. You can't just stay there in your house without any defense and expect Sunday Igboho to come and fight for you. You need to rise and defend yourself. The whole Yoruba community need to rise and defend themselves against killer herdsmen. The killing is too much. The Yorubas need to rise and defend their territory. They need to defend their fatherland. And Gani and Sunday Igboho should stop whatever differences that they have between themselves. Now is the time to come up. OPC should join Sunday Igboho to fight these killer herdsmen. Governor Seyi Makinde, the citizens, the people of Oyo State look up to you for the safety of their lives and property. They believe in you. That was why they voted you in 2019. But looking at the situation of things, it seems you have failed the people of Oyo State because they are no longer safe in their home. They cannot sleep with their two eyes closed, which is so bad. You need to find a lasting solution to this so that the trust of the people in you will not depreciate. They believe in you, they believe in your government, but looking at the high rate of killings, especially by the killer herdsmen, it's as if you are no more in charge. Mr. Governor, this is not the time to campaign for 2023 election because there is a serious security challenge in the state. There is need for immediate action to be taken to protect lives and properties of people in the state. All security bodies in the state must work together as one to defend the people of Oyo State, especially in Igangan. And to the President, Muhammadu Buhari, being the Chief Commander of the Armed Forces and in charge of security of lives and properties in the country, there is need for drastic measures to be taken to secure the lives of people in the country. Enough is enough. Let's find a lasting solution to this killing.
Àjọ ti tẹ́ ni ó ti wá kẹ́ ó ti kó gbẹ tán.
Irọ́ bá a ṣe tọ́ ẹni tí ó bá mọ̀ pé ó bá fojú rí òun lè fi.
Àṣà o, ó máa padà sí jẹ́
kò lè padà káàbọ̀ parí iṣẹ́ ni mo sọ o. Ẹni tí
tó wá kó bá fojú rẹ jẹ́.
Ṣé ilẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ni?
àwọn tó ń wá yìí tó fẹ́ tẹ̀lé wa.
Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ gbé jẹ́gbẹ́jẹ́gbẹ́ ni wọ́n tí wọ́n rẹ́ láti kú wọn fẹ́ gbé mi kó máa ní
ó yìí ní agbára láti kọ àsọ́nsì láti kò wá pé
àmì ètò ń wọnú wa yìí.
àyẹ̀wò ọgbọ́n àbájá ọ̀hún fún space. Nígbà kó padà wálé láàbá tí ì ṣetán o. Nígbà kó padà wálé láàbá tí ì ṣetán o.
Àfa ìyẹn ti clear báyìí, ó ti clear.
Odò àgbè wa o. Ṣẹlẹ̀ wo lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí afámọ́kẹ́jọba ti gbà á yànjú. Kókó ọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ ni pé ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tọkàntọkàn tó fi sọmọ àlè. Tí kìí ṣe ká pé Fúlàní àgbòrò ló fún ìyá ènìyàn lóyún. Gbogbo àwọn yìí pé ogun ti dé. Ogun ti dé. Àwọn tó kàn lẹ́nìí láàárín báyìí àmì ẹni tó kàn lọ́la tó o bá ní ìbọn lé kó àkókò kọ́ dẹ ní ìbọn pò lórí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló fi jáde báyìí.
mọ́sá.
torí bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ nísìnyí báyìí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn Ògùn state nísìnyí báyìí àwọn èèyàn ti jáde ibẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ kó tó di ọ̀la táwọn ẹ̀ma bẹ̀rẹ̀ nísìnyí báyìí àwọn èèyàn má jáde lọ́yọ̀ọ́ gbọmọgbọmọ Fúlàní ti pọ̀ jù adẹ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ ṣe wọ́n ló tó gẹ́ so ẹ má mi kẹ́ ẹ má bẹ̀rù àwọn tó ní ilẹ̀ ó ti wà lẹ́yìn àdàbí tí wọ́n ṣe pé ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà nílẹ̀ Haúsá àti ilẹ̀ Fúlàní lọ wọ́n ń pa wọ́n agbọ̀nrín náà lè jó bíbá yìí ẹ̀ ń jẹ ẹ̀ mú lórí ilẹ̀ wa ẹ̀ tún wá ẹ̀ tún wá ń pa wá ẹ̀ tún jólé so ó jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ Odùduwà wa kò ní gbọ́dọ̀ lẹ̀.
àṣẹ o àṣẹ o.